chivalry is that, Oliver? Okay, this is Oliver and Rachel.
Oh my God.
Oliver's gonna drag Rachel. It's the first go walking. The first like pajama
you gotta
party.
be careful with her upstairs.
Oh
She
yeah.
can go up there a lot.
Calm down, Oliver.
You gotta go slow. Chris.
It's a good thing she's not a crier.
Okay.
Chris. Watch Rachel.
Whoa, whoa.
Be careful with her, sweetie. You can't just yank her.
Upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Oh,
You ditching her? Pick up.
pick up.
Pick up.
Pick up those feet.
Nice.
Help her, dude. Can you help her? What are you doing? Are you going up or down?
I'm ready.
You like anything?
You're so
Help her up. Help her up. Help her up. Okay, hold on. Let her get up. Hold on. Don't just drag her.
I know. Look at it. Yeah, he's so good.
Yeah, now you drag him, Rachel. Where are you guys going?
What is this, man?
Her first boyfriend already.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, yeah. I think she's dragging him around, though.
Now she is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch your head on the table.